Hi, my name is Brandon Stone, and welcome to this 5-minute biohazard remediation and hoarding cleanup training clip. If you're interested in working in this multi-million-dollar industry, please take a few minutes to view our full course at biohazardcourse.com.
The next surface we're going to work on is the ceramic tile surface. Now you may have ceramic tile on the wall, on the floor. They're going to clean both the same way. You're going to clean both the same way. You're going to start with the application of your disinfectant. You're going to allow it the 15-minute soak time. And we're going to begin with cleaning just the surface of the tiles. We're really not going to worry about the grout right now because we'll use another tool to clean the grout. Again, some people may think it's necessary to remove the tile, but it's actually not. You do not have to remove the tile. The tile can be cleaned, and the grout lines can actually be cleaned. Now, that's not saying that they may have to have the floor or the wall regrouted, but we don't have to remove it. We try to do as least damage as possible. Here at Biotrauma 911, we try to do as least damage as possible because we are a company that we deconstruct, we do not reconstruct. Your company may be one that does the biohazard remediation along with remodeling and reconstruction. We do not do that, so we try to do as least damage as possible, costing our client as little money as possible, be it the homeowner or the insurance company. It's much cheaper to regrout a floor or a wall than it is to replace that floor or wall. Jeremy's demonstrated the tile can be cleaned fairly easily. Now the grout will take a little bit more effort, but we can show you a fairly easy way to do it. Okay. He's going to reapply some disinfectant to the grout area. And that's more just for the to make it wet. Then he's going to use a wire brush on the grout to clean it. You can buy a grout brush specific for that, or you can just use a wire brush and use the edge of the brush to go in between the tiles into the grout area.